Okay, same goes for here and here. Okay, so this is version 4. Okay, the reason I am coming up with so many versions and quickly is so that we can decide on a better interface for you. Okay, and now version 5. Okay, for version 5, what should I do for version 5? Okay, version 5 might be slightly similar to version 1, but okay, we have this 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines, and 6 vertical lines. Okay, and within this, you guess it, is the skills and attributes. Okay, the name, and the description. Okay, okay, so this is version 5. Okay, let's go to version 6. Okay, version 6 can be our last one if we think of a good one. Okay, so for version 6, it's possible for us to okay, so we have to show 3 of the attributes that you can improve on, okay, at once, but not show too much information at once. Okay, because if there are too much text on the screen, how should I put this? It will not look good. Okay, so let's go for something that does not require showing so much text. Okay, so version 6, let's have 3 circles next to each other and have 3 and have their icons enlarged. Okay, and the name will be here and description will be here. Okay, so same goes for this and this. Okay, this will be version 6. Okay, so we can combine. Okay, it is possible for us to combine version 6 with version 1, or rather version 6 seems like a better version of version 1. Okay, so so we can use version 6 combined with some elements of version 1, so it will look something like, okay, so it will look something like a rag with rounded corners, okay, and the icon will be here, enlarge, and the name can be here. Okay, let me just erase that. Okay, the icon can be enlarged and the description can be here. Okay, so we will have 3 of this. Okay, the name and the description. The name and the description. Okay, but all of the icons will be in pixel art. Okay, so this is just a sketch. Okay, so most likely it will look something like this. Okay, so this is the description. So that means now we have to come up with attributes that can be improved on. Okay, so let's go back to Unity and let's go back to Mono Develop. Okay, let's go to our constants file where we have all our constants information. Okay, let me just put my tablet away. Okay, let's create a new constant or rather static, and let's call it enum attributes. Okay, or rather let's call it player growth attributes. Or is it too long? Okay, let's just call it growth attributes. Okay, should be kept here. Okay, first we have growth attributes. Okay, so it's time to brainstorm some attributes that can be improved on. Okay, first we have our jumping ability, or rather how high you can jump in the game. So let's call that heighten, or rather legs. Okay. Okay, we can have one called heightened acceleration, which will increase moving speed. Order moving speed +1. Okay, this will be the description. And okay, what else can we have? Okay, so for now, let's call it jumper. And jumping height +1. Or increases height of jumping. Zero, 1. Okay, and let's have another constant or static to store the description of the attributes here. Okay, growth description with a S. Okay, let's start with acceleration and jumper. Okay, heightened acceleration, you call it moving speed +1. Increase moving speed, increases height of jumping. Okay, so from okay, so when your character levels up, you can choose one of these attributes, which will 3 of them will appear randomly in between every stage when you have leveled up. And when you choose one of these, the game will use this to, or the game will use the 3 randomly appeared or selected to display abilities to determine what description to display. So I can do something like this: growth descriptions, growth attributes. Okay, and it will return me the description. Okay, now let's think of more. Okay, so what I have here is a list of the attributes that you can improve your character on, and the names that will be displayed, and the description. Okay, so far I have acceleration, increasing your moving speed, jumper, increase your height of jumping. Endurance, increase your current HP. Lasting effect, making the attacks bounce off walls. Moving speed +2, which is called heightened acceleration. Okay, offensive arm which will increase the damage that you can do. Okay, let's think of another one. Extra carnage. Okay, so let's call this extra carnage, which will allow carrying of 2 weapons. Okay, C to switch. So you can switch between your weapons. Okay, so let's say you're using slash now. Pressing X will use slash to attack your enemies, but if you have extra carnage, you can use it to get another weapon and use C to change it to something else. Okay, let's call it heavy load instead. On heavy load. Let's call it heavy load for now. Okay. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. What else can we have? Jumping. Okay, sticky hands. Okay, let's call this sticky hands, and it will allow sticking onto walls for a second. Okay. Allows sticking onto walls for a second. Okay, it might sound weird, but if you can stick onto a wall, that means that you can move on from there, which is a very good strategic thing to do if you're under fire from a lot of enemies. Okay. And that should be it for today. So I'll see all of you in around 2 to 3 days time, which is next Tuesday or Monday, depending on which part of the world you are from. And by then I should have the first version of the growth interface that you see that we spend time sketching here. Okay, So I wish all of you have a great day ahead. Peace.